So happy Friday.
The 13th of all days.
Oh! Who's on right now so I could, like, raid them?
So you can what them?
You heard me!
You're gonna raid them? You're gonna steal their loot and their little
I'm gonna
tooth?
put bug spray on them.
Oh no. uh, you know, never mind.
Jerks is offline. Um,
He is a jerk.
He is.
No.
no.
You're a jerk.
Gig on Rice Bowl.
Gigon is. Somebody I know, Toffee, is online.
Hello, Father Campbell. We're visiting your
Hurry.
chapel today. Dude, I got some blue-haired booty with me. Hey, let's all attack this Jenny. Chris, what are you doing?
Clearly,
Goddamn,
being the
no.
smartest per- Uh-oh.
Swear, if he gets me first,
I think you're good.
Jump! Whoa, rubber band. Dude, what is this abandoned ass house? I can't say I'm a fan of the Padres Chapel.
Stop it.
God damn it, he followed me! Ah, birds! Stairs! Stairs with birds!
there's
Are
no
you-
stairs.
Are you scared of birds?
Birds work for the bourgeoisie, don't they?
Yeah, birds are fake. The government is using birds to spy on us.
I already knew that. I am
I already knew that. It's like all of a sudden my stream disconnects.
the Redacted.
Yeah.
That's you. Oh.
I have so much fear going through my body right now.
How come we got two leather faces? I don't like that.
Who's suicidal?
What?
Who's suicidal?
The blue hair chick.
Oh, I thought you were legit asking, like, who is suicidal. I'm like, probably a lot of
Julie.
people.
It's like, not in my stream, not in my stream!
Low-key.
I put out quality content!
Oh, this is almost done.
Oh, cool. Then I'll get credit.
You asshole.
What a perfect asshole. Dude, he's so
Me
annoying.
alone. I didn't ask for your love.
Alan, I'm working on that generator that we all were on at the beginning. What is that?
I'm sorry,
That's the
suicidal.
Looney Tune. Hello?
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm getting chased.
Uh-oh.
The front door?
It's talking
Oh,
on the
alright,
phone.
give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh.
Silly roommates, keys are supposed to be in your pocket, not in the car. Oh, I gotta be like a son of a bitch too. I'll be right back.
Alright, we're all just gonna die while Alan stands in the corner, most likely.
No, I'm heading in the box.
Oh, that's even worse.
It has whatever perk that makes you drop your item. So.
I can't believe that I survived that.
Where's Bella? Oh. Okay, I'm back. I'm not dead. Watch me open my box and him just be chilling there.
Someone take him upstairs if that's
I
you
won't take him upstairs. I'll keep him downstairs.
Yeah.
Did he
I
come
was too worried
upstairs?
about you taking him upstairs. No, I
Oh.
missed the
No,
period
he's down here with me still. Oh, now he's going in there.
Ew, this is the circus.
It is a circus.
I've never been here either.
In real life or in the game?
Both.
Oh, okay. Where is that? Oh, it's right here. Oh, hey, Alan.
Hello. Just doing a Jenny. Just rating and stuff. Skill checking. Still flexing. And
Break.
dynamite.
Look it. I wanna get a ticket from this. Hello. Oh.
No, you don't. Get
He's
out of
following me.
there. The ticket guy?
No, the killer.
Bah.
Well, if he's following you, that means he's not following us. You, there's a fake ass horse over here. It's a goat. Oh, it's a real ass horse. It's a.
What are we gonna do, kid? What are we gonna do here, killer? What's happening?
Dude, we need one more generator.
I got it. I'm like 85% there.
Okay, I'm gonna be by the door. Julie, is he still chasing you?
I think so.
Keep him busy. Shit. The door by the circus is the one I'm opening.
Okay.
Thank you, Circus.
Thank you, Circus.
Thank you, Andy Circus.
Hey, Julie.
Hi. Let's go over there.
Whoa!
I was wondering if you knew where the circus was, because I didn't.
Be careful. I hear him.
Oh,
Oh,
escaped. I
he's-
definitely got too close.
It's okay.
To the...
He's right there. Be careful. He might hit you. Ah, shit.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I think he's really mad.
Going. Oh, boy. Dang it!
Oh, yeah, run!
Get in, Chris. Damn! Oh my god!
It's like what happened to me that one time.
I only have a like Mike Myers one, I think.
Michael, but you don't said Mike.
What?
You said Mike Myers. Michael Myers.
Yeah. Well, I'm friends with him, so I can call him Mike.
God.
Me and him are cool. We have like a thing low key.
You and Mikey?
Yeah. No, you can't say Mikey.
No, he doesn't.
He
doesn't
can't
like
say me.
called that.
Can't say Mikey. He's really upset about that one. He doesn't like that one.
I have spawned with no friends.
It's the spirit.
Again. I hope it's the same one.
Wouldn't that be funny? Oh shit!
Yes. No ruin. GG easy.
Could be the same one.
I will see you boys at the exit gates.
Probably not, because Jacob, I always die.
Hey, listen, I always die too, but somehow I made rank 4 before the reset, so believe in yourself.
Never got past rank 16, so...
I've never got past rank 9.
Ah, fuck! She got me there.
Yeah, but you're Alan, so it makes sense. I love you.
Man, I'm running Prove Thyself, and I ain't got no homies.
Man,
to
she
do
moves
this
kind of fast. She does. You all are like
Generator?
so far away. And she saw me like real quick too. Y'all see that? She like, I saw her right as we loaded in.
Right as we walked in.
Nice swing.
Kinda lame.
I got you, Julie. 1 second.
Okay. Well, he's getting chased, so.
Oh, are you waiting? Nice. Good play.
Dwight, if you're walking, you could run. That's what I'm just gonna let you know.
Got
And
you.
you're gonna
Coming
keep walking.
right around the corner.
Come on, Dwight. What are you doing? I feel like you're doing that on purpose, Alan.
Oh, you came back for me. Nice. Yeah, dead hard though. Sorry about that. How nice of you, Spirit. I thought you forgot about me, my dude. Yep, that's fine. Take me.
Take me.
Take me.
Whew.
That's a locker.
Take on me.
Alan, what are you doing?
Bye, girl.
Alan, go
Oops.
get him. Go get him. What are you doing?
I'm going to get him.
Now I don't believe you.
Ah, Stommy! Fucking son of a bitch.
Alan!
Help, God.
Sick of this.
On the generator, and they're both getting chased.
Julie, I need you.
I know, but Alan's here.
He just went down.
Okay,
Or no, wait, no.
he did just get down. She's putting him on a hook, but I'm gonna get you.
I don't want
Oh,
to die.
fuck, she's gonna come straight back.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Can you not tunnel me, you piece of shit? Are you leaving me alone? Cool.
That was beautiful. Wow.
Sorry, Alan. Alan! What are you
She
doing?
ran right past me.
Oh, I was gonna take the hit for you and you just stood there, but you're right.
She ran right past me.
I mean, she didn't come for me, so I think she's just trying not to tunnel.
It makes sense.
She could have came right.
Alright, second generator. There you go.
Ah!
Very nice.
Let's stay out of her sight and work on generators. Sounds like a plan?
Julie, I will save you.
Okay.
I have you by the time.
The bar
Yep.
then.
Yeah, you do. I don't think she has.
She might have Hex Devour Hope. Is that?
Come on. Oh, no, you got her. Okay.
I'm gonna go finish the gen I started. You two have fun. Actually, we should speed heal her real quick.
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm going by
Wait,
this
she's
rock.
here. She's here. She's here. She's here.
I was like, I already ran away. I'm sorry.
Come for me, Spirit. How did you hit me? All right. You know what? Dead by Daylight video game. I don't appreciate that shit. Shack time, Spirit? Shack time. Shack time.
Thanks. Thank you.
Hi.
Are you kidding me? Oh
Hey,
my
can you heal me?
god, I'm dead.
Freaking yeah.
Fuck. Does she have nurses calling? No, she probably just heard me because I missed up.
Oh,
Oh my
that's-
gosh.
Uh-oh. Wait. Hold on. Ooh, she didn't see me. Thank fucking
Yeah,
God, dude.
She's going after me.
Oh no, I'm so scared. Come here, come here, come here. I recovered. Okay, Jacob, I'll come to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm coming. I thought that generator was more done than it is. I'm coming.
I mean, honestly,
Give you-
I don't mind bleeding out for a little bit.
Fuck yes!
Let me give you the back rub.
Alright, thank you.
I like that commitment, my man. Very good.
She ran right past me as it finished.
Only great skill checks for you, Julie.
Thank you.
Please don't put me in the basement. Please don't put me in the basement. Oh, you're right here. Never mind.
I have borrowed time. I'll save him.
Okay. I'll work on this generator that is in here.
Good. She's not over here. Hey, what up? Go to the shack. Julie's in there. She'll heal you. I'm gonna try to finish this.
She's gonna come back here, I think. Yep.
Ouch. Okay, bringing her to the shack.
Alright, we're leaving the shack.
How, man? I was all the way through that window. Are you kidding me? Well, I'm going in the basement. Nope, she's coming for you guys. No, okay, put me in the basement. It's basement time, Spirit, please.
It's basement time, boys.
Wait, are you not putting me in the basement? Why? It's right there. What are you doing?
I don't know what she's
Oh,
doing.
Put me in there.
I think she's making it easy for us.
Put me in there, goddammit. I want to go down there.
Put me in, coach. Too bad borrowed time doesn't work on yourself.
Yeah, right?
Oh my gosh.
Although I'm pretty confident she's not gonna try to kill me. Fuck healing me, just do this real quick. I have proved thyself, we'll get it done really fast.
I'm over here flexing with all those perks, you know?
Alright, you wanna heal me real quick, Julie?
Oh, yeah, where should we go?
Just right here is fine. I don't think she has, like, nurses or anything.
No.
And if she does, you're healthy and I have Dead Hard, so I can put Dead Hard to the shack real quick. Okay.
Yeah. I think Alan's near you, though.
No, I don't want to search the fucking chest, Bill.
God damn it.
I knew Alan was there. I have max hook rescue now.
I have osteoporosis. Hello, sir. Could you use a good unhooking?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
That was close.
Nah, that was just me being
Oh,
an
hi.
asshole. My boyo, come sit on this generator with me. I got that. I got that dank, zesty prove thyself. I think you have that also. You are playing Dwight.
What?
Dude, you like how I have the same cigarette in my mouth all match? That's that doesn't bode well for us. Where are you, Spirit?
I think she's going
She's
over
up my
there.
ass.
I'm really hoping she tries to pick you up.
Oh, I saw her.
No, she's not picking you up?
Yeah, she's coming over here.
One little back rub, sir, and you'll be right as rain.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna get you that dank full heal, my guy. Because I believe you're on Death Hook, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're gonna need all them hits. With me, brother. Wait, hold on, there's a spirit around here.
Hold on, I hear a spirit around here.
Hey, there she is. She's probably gonna come after... No.
She's really just hitting and going. I'm being honest.
She's coming and going, eh?
I think she's looking for me. Honestly. She's not, like, kicking generators, which is weird, because this one's almost done.
She has been a little bit, because I have that perk that shows me her aura when...
Oh, alert.
But it's only, like, it's not, like, every one of them. Mostly it's been the pallets that's been alerting me.
Julia, this is almost done. We got this.
Ooh, fuck you, bitch.
Oh yeah, she broke a pallet over there, I see her.
So they're not close to her.
I don't care if you're here. I'm getting this gen done. Alright, someone get a tasty door open. Any door of your choosing.
Heading towards one.
I have
Why
the bitch.
me?
I do not have the bitch.
You don't have the
I was
bitch.
like, you
I
don't.
have the bitch.
Open that door, Thicky Jane. Here, hold on. I'm gonna get a real close look at your ass. Yes. I like
My
it.
dress. Ah!
Hey.
Wait, she might say,
Oh,
please don't
she's
be on
putting
her.
you down. Okay. You want me? You want me? Wait, she opened it.
Why? What is she doing?
me crawl.
Okay, well, I'm gonna fucking leave if you don't mind, Spirit.
Okay.
No, stay still. I got you. I got you, dude. You're gonna walk out of here on your own 2 feet. There you go.
Let me
Julie.
hit you. Let me hit you.
Oh, thank you. I
That's the
appreciate
first game
this,
in,
man.
I don't know, 200 that I've survived since I've been playing with Julie. Like, I'm not saying that Julie's bad, but like,
What kind of Julie's bad?
oh, it's also my
I
fault.
think,
Hey, Julie.
yeah.
Hey, look.
It's been fun, but I get.
Where is she?
I think she was trying to give it. I mean, I really think she was just giving it to us.
I don't want no damn freeload. I want my finger to put my ass down. Tunnel me relentlessly.
Who is it?
It's the Wraith.
You?
No, not you!
I'm in the goddamn boiler room.